In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple Power Apps application to let your colleagues know that you're planning to come back to the office. For the past few years, due to COVID, I've been working from my home office. But now as I start to venture back to our real office, I need to do so safely and effectively. This application allows you to let everyone know that you're planning to come back to the office and allows you to coordinate with your colleagues that you might need to collaborate with. Let's take a look. So this is the Back to Base application that's been developed in Power Apps and has been deployed to Microsoft Teams. You can see a full week view of all the colleagues planning to come into the office. If you plan to come into the office on Tuesday, you can click the plus button and add your name to the list. And if you want to go on Wednesday, you press the plus button. If you decide that you don't want to come into the office on Tuesday, you can easily remove yourself from Tuesday and again from Wednesday. You can also go to next week to future plan, or go to last week to see who was in the office. Or you can go back to this week to make your own plans. This is Power Apps for Teams. We have selected a team called Kyandrians. In here we have a whole heap of things we've already previously built, but let's go to see all. One of the things we have is a table in the Dataverse for Teams, which is called attendance. In that attendance table, I've developed a couple of columns. Attendance, which is a unique identifier, attendance date, which is a date that you're intending to attend work, the name of the column, which is just some text, which is the primary field, and also the user that's attending is also here, which is a lookup to the user table. I've also built a app called Back to Basic, and let's have a look at that. This is the Back to Base application. It has one screen called attendance screen and several galleries. In the app on start event, you can see that I've defined some colors and a collection of weekdays. The collection has an ID, a value for each day, and an assigned color. The main gallery, week view, is connected to this collection, and a template fill property allows you to create the banding effect. I have a hidden button that loads attendances from the Dataverse into a collection called collection attendances for the current week. I then have a gallery for each week, which is connected to the attendances collection and filtered for the current day. I have a plus icon that allows you to patch new records back to the attendances table. And this is also only visible if you're not currently attending that day. So let me add myself to Monday. I have a image control which uses SVG to allow you to style up the attendance person, which is the full name, into a text field with a rectangle around it, colored. I also have an icon that removes the item from the attendances table in Dataverse, and it's only shown if you're the current user that's logged in. And then I also have 3 icons over here that simply change the date, add 7 days, take 7 days, or returns back to the default Monday, which is the current Monday that you're in the current week of. And there we have it, a pretty simple app, but effectively it helps us get back to the office and work together safely. Thanks everybody, see you later.